We interrupt your regularly scheduled program to bring you an LDB Legend weather report.
So you're probably wondering, in all of the videos that we've done so far, why is this one starting outside? And you are 100% correct. Most of my content will be outside. But unfortunately, one of the things I can't control is the weather. Don't get me wrong, a little bit of rain can be good for you. But a lot could be dangerous. And the weatherman doesn't always turn out to be right. It looked like a nice day to film, but we were wrong. Speaking of which, how come the weatherman gets to be wrong and doesn't get in trouble? Don't get me wrong, I respect the job, but if I got that many questions wrong that many times, I would have to repeat a grade. Well, I'm gonna go work on my weatherman audition. This is LDB Legend, out. Sure, now the sun wants to come out.